Hello everyone, welcome back to CAPSA. I am Sri and today we are embarking on a fascinating journey into the very essence of what makes us who we are, the human body. We will be exploring its incredible organization, the systems that keep us running, and the fundamental processes that define life itself. Let's begin with the concept of level of organization, structural organization. Imagine building a house. You start with individual bricks, then you combine those bricks to form walls, and then those walls come together to create rooms and finally complete house. The human body is organized in a remarkably similar hierarchical fashion. At the most basic level, we have chemical levels which include atoms like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, the very building blocks of matter. These atoms combine to form molecules such as water, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. These molecules then come together in specific ways to form cells, which are fundamental units of life. Think of a cell as the smallest independently functioning unit of the body, like a single specialized brick in our house analogy. Groups of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function form tissues. For instance, muscle cells form muscle tissue, nerve cells form nerve tissues. Different type of tissues then combine to form organs, which are structures with a specific function like the heart, lungs, or stomach. And finally, multiple organs that cooperate to achieve a major physiological function constitute an organ system. This brings us to our next topic, organ systems. So, the human body is an amazing symphony of organ systems, each playing a vital role in maintaining our health and ensuring our survival. These systems does not work in isolation. Instead, they are intricately interconnected, constantly communicating and collaborating to keep us functioning optimally. For example, your digestive system breaks down foods, but the nutrients are then transported throughout your body by your cardiovascular system. Waste products from cellular process are handled by your urinary system, and your nervous system coordinates all of these activities. This interconnectedness highlights the incredible efficiency and complexity of the human body. Now let's delve into the major organ systems of the body. There are 11 primary organ systems that contribute to our overall well being. First, we have the integumentary system, which includes your skin, hair, and nails. This system acts as a protective barrier, regulating body temperature and housing sensory receptors. Next, the skeletal system, comprised of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and joints that provide support, protection for internal organs, and a framework for muscle attachment, enabling movement. Working in conjunction with the skeletal system is the muscular system, which includes all the muscles in your body. This system is responsible for movement, maintaining posture, and generating heat. Then we have the nervous system, a complex network of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. This system acts as the body's control center, receiving, interpreting, and responding to stimuli and coordinating all bodily functions. So, the endocrine system complements the nervous system by producing hormones that regulate various bodily processes, including growth, metabolism, and reproduction. It includes glands like the thyroid, adrenal glands, and pancreas. The cardiovascular system consisting of the heart, blood vessels, and blood that is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. Closely related is the lymphatic system, which includes lymph vessels, lymph nodes, lymphatic organs. This system plays a crucial role in immunity and fluid balance. The respiratory system, composed of the lungs and airways, facilitates the gaseous exchange, taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. The digestive system, including the mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, and associated organs, breaks down food into nutrients that can be absorbed and utilized by the body. The urinary system, with the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra, filters waste products from the blood and eliminates them from the body. And finally, the reproductive system, which differs between males and females, is responsible for the production of offspring. These 11 systems collectively ensure the continuity of life and the amazing adaptability of the human body. Finally, let's discuss the basic life process that all living organisms exhibit. So, these are fundamental activities that distinguish living things from non living things. First, metabolism is the sum of all chemical processes that occur in a body. It includes both catabolism, which is breakdown of the complex substances into simpler ones to release energy, and anabolism, which is the building up of complex substances from simpler ones requiring energy. Essentially, metabolism is how your body transforms food into energy and builds and repairs tissues. Second, responsiveness or irritability is the body's ability to detect and respond to changes in its internal and external environment. This could be anything from withdrawing your hand from a hot stove to your eyes adjusting to different light levels. Third, we have movement, refers to any motion, from the precise movements to your fingers as you write, to the rhythmic beating of your heart, or the peristaltic contractions of your digestive system. It's not just about walking, it's about internal functions too. Fourth, growth is an increase in the body size due to an increase in the number of cells, the size of existing cells, or the amount of material surrounding the cells. Think about how you have grown since you were a baby. Fifth point, differentiation. Differentiation is the process by which unspecialized cells become specialized cells. For example, a stem cell can differentiate into a muscle cell, a nerve cell, or a blood cell, each with unique structure and functions. This specialization allows for the complex organization of the tissues and organs. And finally, reproduction is the formation of new cells for tissue growth, repair, or replacement, and the production of a new individual. This ensures the continuation of the species. These basic life processes are not isolated events, they are constantly interacting and interdependent on each other, forming the foundation of what it means to be alive. Understanding this process is key to appreciating the complexity and resilience of the human body. In summary, we have explored the hierarchical organization of the human body from atoms to organ systems. We have identified the 11 major organ systems and understood how they work together seamlessly. And we have clarified the fundamental life process that define us as living beings. By grasping these concepts, you have taken a significant step in understanding the marvel that is the human body. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and so you don't miss out our latest topic. And I am Sri. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.